Guys, welcome back. In this video I will be doing a straight to curly routine and giving you guys my updated wash routine, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. Okay guys, the first thing I am doing is wetting my hair, of course. Now the first time I straightened my hair and I wet my hair like this and I saw that it wasn't reverting, I kind of freaked out, but now I'm used to it because, you know, when you straighten your hair and you leave it straight for like 3 weeks, it's going to have a lot of buildup and oils on it. So it's going to make it harder for the water to penetrate the hair, on top of the fact that my hair is low porosity. So just got to be patient with the hair and give it time for the water to absorb and for my curls to start bouncing back. As you can see, they're starting to form more now. Okay guys, once my hair is fully saturated, I'm going to go in with my Aussie Total Miracle Collection 7-in-1 conditioner, and I am going to pre-poo my hair. Now my wash day routine is pretty much the same as it was in my previous wash day video. That one was just really old and it was time for it to be updated. I think I changed like one thing and you guys will see later. But yeah, I'm just going to go in with that conditioner and apply a generous amount of that to my hair. And I'm going to slightly finger detangle my hair. It was a lot easier to do it this time because I was coming from straight hair, not a week-old curly hair that hadn't been detangled. So once I'm done pre-pooing, I'm going to go in and rinse out the conditioner. Now, in my curly hair routine, you know, I like to leave the conditioner in on my ends and just shampoo my roots, but since I'm coming from straight, I want to make sure that I'm getting rid of all buildup that is on my hair because I want to make sure that my curls can revert completely. So once I've rinsed that out, I'm going to go in with my shampoo, and I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo by Shea Moisture. It's one of my go-to shampoos, you guys know this. So I'm just going to take the shampoo and first apply it to my scalp and massage it on my scalp because my scalp was so dirty. It had been 3 weeks. It was needing this wash, no lie. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that and massage it onto my scalp first, and then I'm gonna go in and massage it onto my ends as well. Now in my curly hair routine, I just focus the shampoo on my scalp. I don't really focus it too much on my ends, but I'm trying to remove all buildup. And I really like this shampoo because it removes buildup from my hair, clarifies my hair, while also not leaving my hair feeling stripped. So this is one of my favorite shampoos, along with the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. Once I've cleansed my entire head, I'm going to go in and rinse the shampoo out. And once I rinse it all out, I'm going to go in and repeat the shampooing process. It'll be a lot easier the second go around because I'll have gotten most of the buildup out of my hair. So I'll just let you guys watch that. And here's my hair after I'm done shampooing it. I haven't done anything else to it yet. So now I'm going to go in and section my hair into 4 sections to prepare for the detangling process. And to detangle my hair, I'm going to be using my Old Faithful Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I love to detangle with this deep conditioner because it gives me loads of slip. So I'm applying a generous amount of that to the section. I'm going to apply as much as I need to detangle through my hair easily. So I will be applying a lot of that. And I like to make sure my hair is soaking wet as well when I detangle my hair. I just find that detangling on soaking wet hair with a lot of this conditioner is the best way for me to detangle my hair personally. The thing that has changed is I use a tangle teaser now. So I am using the tangle teaser for thick and curly hair, and I have exchanged this for my wide tooth comb, and I think I love this thing, y'all. As you can see, I still detangle the same way. I'm just detangling from ends to roots, and I will go in and separate the section in half when I get closer to the roots because it's easier for me to detangle that way with the tangle teaser. But yeah, I really like this in comparison to the wide tooth comb because it gets more of my shed hair out. Like when I use this, it gets the majority of my shed hair out. So when I go in for my wash and go or whatever style I get ready to do, I don't have to worry about still pulling out a whole bunch more shed hair. Also, the same rules still apply even though I'm using a tangle teaser instead of a wide tooth comb. I do not yank the tool through my hair. If I run into a snag, I either work the tool through if possible, and if not, I'll use my fingers to work through the tangle and then go back in with the tangle teaser. But this is the part of my wash day routine where I am the most gentle with my hair because I don't want to cause any unnecessary breakage. So once I'm done with that section, I'll just twist it up and I will do the same thing to each of the other sections. Once I've detangled each section, I'm going to go through one section at a time and rinse out the conditioner and apply my deep conditioner. So I'm going to take down one section and rinse it out. And once I've rinsed out all of that conditioner, I'm going to go through and squeeze out the excess water because I feel like personally, like my hair absorbs the deep conditioner better when it's not dripping wet. So that's what I'm doing here, just squeezing out the excess water. And then I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner, and I'm using the Mayo Organics Babasu Oil Deep Conditioner. And the reason why I'm choosing to use this one is because it contains protein, and I just straightened my hair. So you know, straightening your hair can break down the protein in your hair. So I'm just using this deep conditioner to help to replenish that protein that I may have lost when I heat styled my hair. But I really like to use this deep conditioner when my hair is feeling lackluster. You guys know I normally use my TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask on a weekly basis, so I'll use that one. And then when my hair is pretty much acting up, like my curls aren't as bouncy as they normally are or as springy as they normally are, then I'll pull this deep conditioner out and it normally pops them back into place. So I normally end up using this deep conditioner like once a month, and I use those two deep conditioners in rotation. I don't really use anything else to deep condition my hair with. But this deep conditioner has tons of slip, so if you like to detangle with your deep conditioners, then this would be a good one to detangle with. I don't personally care if my deep conditioners have slip, but I know some people like to detangle with their deep conditioners. And it has a really strong scent as well, so it's like a very minty, strong, lingering scent. So just keep that in mind as well. Once I've applied the deep conditioner to each section, I'm going to go in and put on my conditioning cap, and I'm going to let that sit while I shower, and then I'm going to rinse it out. And then that's pretty much it, y'all. That's my updated wash day routine. As you can see, nothing too much really changed besides the tangle teaser. Yeah, I think that's all that really changed. I'm still using pretty much all the same products because, like I told you guys on my Instagram, if you're not following me on my Instagram, you should be, but I told you guys there that I pretty much keep my wash day products, like my wash routine products, consistent. The only thing I change really is like my wash and go products or products that I leave in my hair, but the products that I wash my hair with and that I use in the shower stay pretty consistent. But yeah, guys, here I'm just showing you guys my hair and that it reverted back completely. I did not have any heat damage. I've actually gotten to the point to where I don't even get scared of heat damage. I don't know if that's bad or not, but I know my hair is strong enough to handle the little amount of heat that I put on it every now and then. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.